Welcome everyone to our quick guide to the IT support specialists. Let's jump right into what they do, the skills they need, their tools, and where this career can lead. To begin, IT support specialist is like a helpful guide for people when they're having trouble with their computers or other technology devices. Their job is to solve problems and make sure everything is working correctly, similar to a mechanic fixing a car. Tech admins listen to the user's concerns, figure out what's going wrong, and then either fix it themselves or guide the user on how to fix it. They know a lot about how computers and other devices work, so they can help with a wide range of issues. IT support specialists are similar to a handyman for technology. They first answer questions. People who are having trouble with their technology come to them with their problems, and they try to find solutions. Next, they solve problems. When a computer or another device isn't working right, they look into the issue, find out what's causing it, and then fix it, just like a mechanic with a car. They also maintain systems. IT admins ensure computers and networks run smoothly, like ensuring the lights stay on in a house. On a regular update systems. They make sure all the software is up to date, similar to keeping a car serviced with oil changes and tire rotations. Lastly, provide training. They show people how to use their devices better, similar to a coach teaching someone to improve their game. In this field of work, there are two kinds of skills that are important. Technical skills, these are like the tools in a mechanic's toolbox. They include understanding how computers and networks work, knowing how to troubleshoot and fix problems, and being familiar with different types of software. Soft skills, these are more like people skills. They include being able to listen well and understand the problems that people are having, being patient when things are complicated, and being able to explain solutions in a way that people can understand, even if they're not very familiar with technology. Here is a brief journey through the world of an IT professional using a support ticket system. A support ticket system in the world of IT is like a to-do list of problems to be fixed. When someone has a problem with their computer or other device, they report it, and this creates a ticket. The process for handling the information is as follows. Receive and log. The ticket is recorded in a system, like noting down a task on a to-do list. Assess. The IT support specialist looks at the problem described in the ticket, much like a doctor reading a patient's symptoms. Investigate. They figure out what's causing the problem, like a detective finding clues to solve a mystery. Resolve. They fix the problem or guide the user to fix it, like a mechanic repairing a car or a guide leading the way. Close ticket. Once the problem is fixed, the ticket is closed, like ticking a task off a to-do list. Follow up. They check with the person who reported the problem to make sure everything is still working well, like a doctor doing a checkup after treatment. Key tools that an IT support specialist use are both software and hardware, and they help in diagnosing and fixing problems. Common ones include diagnostic software. This is like a doctor's stethoscope, used to check the health of a computer or network, finding problems that need to be fixed. Remote access tools. These allow the IT support specialist to connect to a computer from a different location, like how a drone can be controlled remotely. Ticketing systems. These keep track of all the problems that need to be solved, similar to a task manager or to-do list app. Backup and recovery software. This is used to keep copies of important data and restore it if it gets lost, like a safety deposit box for digital files. Hardware tools. These could include things like screwdrivers or testing equipment for physical repairs or upgrades, similar to a mechanic's tools. Starting as an IT support specialist can lead to various career paths in the tech industry, like branches of a tree growing from the same trunk. Here are a few. Network engineer specializes in managing and improving the networks that connect computers together. System administrator looks after the big computers, called servers, that run a company's network. Security specialist focuses on protecting computers and networks from hackers and other threats. IT manager oversees a team of IT professionals and makes decisions about the company's technology. For each of these paths, there are important certifications that can show your knowledge and skills, like earning a diploma or degree in school. Common ones are CompTIA A+. This is a basic certification that covers a lot of different areas in IT and is great for IT support specialists. Cloud Certified. This is for people interested in cloud technologies. And that's a wrap. Now you have a taste of what being an IT support specialist is all about. If you found this interesting and want to explore each of these topics more deeply, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.